Hi my dear YouTube fragrance friends, welcome to my channel. Today guys, I would like to give you a very type of short video about unboxing of this ZARA tobacco collection. And finally I got them. It's those well-known guys, very well-known perfumes for men that everybody is raving about before. It's nothing new. This perfume is nothing new, but it just happened that I got it just these days and I would like to try them because I heard that they are very good. Recently guys, I already tried, like small samples of City's collection. I went through them I checked them very quick, kind of. Some of them immediately showed kind of that they are nothing special, those City collections, but there were a few that I was actually became very interested to. Like for example, there was this Creatively Shanghai, which already gave me compliments, and there was this Tokyo, from City's collection, which felt quite nice actually. For that reason I decided to buy City's collection. Few bottles guys, few bottles I bought. It's like City's collection, like a collection. There will be not few, will be maybe eight perfumes in it, and I will be able to discuss about them with you soon, and I will let you know which one is the best. So far from City's collection, I really like Creatively Shanghai and Tokyo. I really like, but I'm pretty sure there are many others. Like for example, I also said before that I like Energetically New York, which I bought full bottle, and which is kind of like a Santal 33 type of thing, not exactly, but reminds you of that. In today's video is guys ZARA tobacco collection. I bought 2 bottles, and let's see guys if I will regret it or I will not regret it. Let's see guys. I show you how it looks like. So tobacco collection. One is with kind of caramel type of letters, the other one is silver one is intense, the other one is rich, warm, addictive, as I understand. No, they don't write it like this anymore. Yeah, one of them is rich, warm, addictive, and the other one is intense, dark, exclusive. I have no idea guys what is the difference of them. I don't know what's the difference, but I will let you know. Maybe should we, let's say intense, let's say, what do I have here? Rich, warm, addictive, let's say. So I have rich, warm, addictive. Rich, warm, addictive. Rich, warm, you cannot even see it, that's the problem. Rich, warm, addictive, this one, rich, warm, addictive. So basically guys, it's sweet honey, coconut, tobacco, woody, floral, tropical, vanilla, powdery. It gives me immediately guys this type of warm feeling. The notes is the, oh, it's so bright. The notes would be honey, so the notes would be honey, coconut, tobacco, sandalwood, and cedar. All of these notes guys kind of makes me feel very interesting. Should I spray it right now? I have to, let me show you. So I have rich, warm, addictive, and then I have intense. Should I read guys for you that intense version? Where is it? Let's see. So intense version guys, it's basically fresh, spicy, aromatic, green, tobacco, sweet, vanilla, amber, fruity, warm, spicy, and woody. And it's basically 2016 guys, 2016. And in the notes you have guys tonka bean, I'm talking about intense one. Intense one is this one: tonka bean, black pepper, apple, mint, basil, bergamot. Really interesting guys, really interesting. Let me spray it right now. Rich, warm, addictive, and intense. Okay, let's do it guys. Rich, warm, addictive. I don't know guys if you see me or not. Nothing. Okay, let's spray it on. Poop. Okay, rich, warm, addictive. I have a, wow, this one guys is like honey and coconut. I think guys I expected a little bit more than what it is. Let's see how it goes. Probably the dry down is what will be the best, I would assume. I think will be nice. I wonder, they say it's tobacco collection. I don't feel much of the tobacco. Maybe there is a little bit of tobacco there. What type of tobacco is that? I don't understand. It's more like honey and coconut and vanilla. It's interesting that this one stands in the man collection, isn't it? It's very interesting, kind of. It's because it's the sweet perfume, you know. It's probably for people who like sweet perfumes. Let's see, guys. It always takes time to discover these perfumes. Like, let's see. Let's say one person pass by nearby me. It doesn't seem to be that it will last very long. It seems like it might fade away pretty soon, you know. I don't know, guys. It's kind of, I think I like it, but you know, some other perfume impressed me a little bit more than this. But of course it takes time. I think I do prefer that Cities collection, you know. Like, I think it's interesting to have it. It might be some kind of warming scent, you know. Let me tell you the price that I paid. I show you the price, guys, that I paid for both of these, you know, 2 of these bottles was $19.95 for both of them. So basically one of them costs around like maybe 16 euro, but if you add few euro more, you can get both of them. Okay, enough about that one. And right now, guys, I'm gonna take intense version, and let's see how it goes. So this Rich Warm Addictive, as I said before, it's kind of warm scent, sweet vanilla, coconutty type of, not too overpowering, but there is no freshness in it too. There's type of caramelly type of scent, you know. It seems like will not last long, as I said before. And maybe the dry down will be something that will be nice. Maybe it would be nice to spray on your hair. I don't know what projection it will give. It's a little bit questionable. I expected slightly more than what it is, but I think it will be light, you know. This perfume might be kind of light, you know, type of in a way. And now, guys, let's see. ZARA Tobacco Collection Intense Exclusive. I'm not sure this that Rich Warm Addictive, guys, it's in man collection, but probably it's for those men that like sweet scent, you know, sweet scent. But if you like fresh scents, it will not be for you. I'm taking right now exclusive version, intense one. Let's see what's the difference. Let's see, guys. Let's see, how can I put them together? No, I cannot. Okay, I cannot put them anyway. So this one is immediately a little bit more masculine. Let's see, you know, I am a lady, so let's see how will I be able to use this. If you are a man, guys, if you are not too much into the sweet perfumes, maybe go with that one better. You can see there are those type of fresher notes. What was there? Like, I think I read before, was mint, was basil, bergamot, apple, you know, there's tobacco, tonka bean, whatever, but there is immediately this type of, man, a little bit, there's a citrusy type of vibe. Let's see, as a lady, how I would be able to use this. It's masculine, but not overly masculine. For that reason, it's possible to use this, you know. I think, let's see how it goes, guys. I like that it's kind of masculine, but not like, you know, kind of with some type of vibe, you know, added in there with those type of spices there, like black pepper, mint, you know. It's interesting. That coconut. Now I'm smelling that Rich Warm Addictive, you know, that Rich Warm Addictive coconutty warming type of, for lady. I think, guys, for lady, probably go with Rich Warm Addictive. I wonder what would happen if you would mix both. Who knows what would happen, you know. Let me spray Rich Warm Addictive. Maybe the best, guys, is to layer them together. I don't know, just to give this type of interesting vibe, you know. I think, guys, let's see. I really don't know. I don't know. Probably, guys, it's just mix and match. Like, did it surprise me? Not overly, guys. They are nice, because so many people were kind of talking about them. I kind of got an impression that there must be something really outstanding and amazing about them. But as I smelled it right now, I realized my expectations were too high, you know. But also, I'm not regretting to have them because they are nice. I mixed them together. It's interesting to mix them together, you know, probably, and go out throughout your day. I wonder how does it feel like in the working environment as well. Like, do you guys use them in the work environment? Like, how do they go? Because they must go quite well, because they are not overpowering, like neither of them. As I said before, guys, for man, maybe better intense, dark exclusive, maybe it's more masculine, but also that rich, warm, addictive you could also spray, and they are kind of pretty good. I think would be pretty good, guys, to layer for you too, you know. That's what I would say. I will finish this video right now, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Can you write me, guys, your experience with those? Do they give you compliments? How people react to these perfumes? Let me know, guys, because it's very interesting. Because, you know, one person gets one type of experience and another person gets another type of experience. What are your experiences? Let us know, guys, here, and I will come back to you soon. And like this video, so I will be back to you again, and see you soon. Bye bye, guys.